Hello everyone, in today's video we'll show you how to bring back the file extensions. First off, go to the File Explorer. In here, choose the folder that you need to bring back the file extensions. As you can see, the extensions are missing here. Now go up to the View and then choose Options at the right hand side. Here under the View tab, simply uncheck the Hide extensions for known file types and then click Apply. Now you can see the extensions are showing up again. You can click OK to exit out. And you can always come back here to hide or unhide the extensions. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Until then, we'll see you next time.